Okay, we're off. We're filming. Oh, you inoculations.
Oh, you funny cunts.
No, there's no place.
Is that them right in the middle? It is too.
Let's make a security call. What the hell is it?
Oh my god.
No pyrotechnics. No pyrotechnic license in that. Oh my god, it's off. Get out!
Look how many taxis there are. Go do it. Hit it.
What?
Let's stop. Something's going.
You've got to work.
I think I have to go in for relight.
No, don't. Never return.
It's burning, it's sweet.
Never return. Oh my
Could be an all-time boomer.
Go, do it, do it.
Follow up to the race.
Oh my god, I've never been. This is it's almost exhilarating as the fucking race. Oh my god. But this time, they're both winners. Oh yeah! Yeah! Oh my god, that's amazing! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's awesome! Oh man! Oh wow! Oh, that's the best place ever!
Oh, look at this!
That is one of the best things he's ever done. Happy birthday, Karl.
Oh, outstanding!
Love those acoustics.
Oh, that was really good.
Fuck, Karl, happy birthday.
Thanks, all good.
So yeah, we just need to keep an eye out for them. There's someone online. Someone should probably get online to them. Isn't it funny that no one can do shit about it, eh?
That was outstanding. For so many reasons.
Look at the way that now. Look at the sea ambling down for a bit of a relay. Going. Everything all right? How's the lookouts? How's the lookout station there going, team?
Seems fine.
It's all good.
Seems fine.
Two men. This video clearly shows both men returning to the
Yes.
explosives.
I love them.
That was amazing. See, they go to Ibiza and they just really,
Here we go.
really pick up.
Come on,
Oh
let's do it.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh,
look how shifty they look, eh? Oh, man. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Woo-hoo-hoo. That is amazing. Oh my god. Oh yeah, wow, look at that. Yeah, there's still something down. There's still a light down on the ground there.
Shit, no, it's just burning out. No, that's done. That was
Fuck,
done.
that was excellent, man.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
And the two hooded men skulked back.
That was a new precedent, and we'd like to congratulate you all both on a terrific performance. Well done.
Happy birthday, my dog. Happy birthday. That was good. Mate, that fucking smile says it all.
Emma.
If we start.